Asparagus contains an alkaloid, known as asparagine, in a relatively large amount. Alkaloids are found in living plants. They contain the active life principle of the plant, without which it cannot grow or stay alive. It is composed of the elements carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. When asparagus is cooked or canned, the value of this alkaloid is lost, as the hydrogen and oxygen are dissipated, and the natural salts, formed by the combination of this alkaloid with the other elements, are virtually lost or their value is destroyed. In the form of juice, asparagus has been very effectively used as a diuretic, particularly when combined with some carrot juice, as it may prove to be uncomfortably strong in its reaction on the kidneys, when taken alone. It is a beneficial juice in the case of kidney dysfunctions, and in the regulation of general glandular troubles. Diabetes and anemia are helped by the use of it, in conjunction with the juices more specifically outlined for these conditions. As this juice helps the breaking up of oxalic acid crystals in the kidneys, and throughout the muscular system, it is good for rheumatism, neuritis, etc. Rheumatism results from the end product of the digestion of meat, and meat products, which generate excessive amounts of urea. As the human system cannot completely digest and assimilate so-called complete proteins, such as meats and meat products, the ingestion of too much of these causes the greater part of the uric acid, generated thereby, to be absorbed into the muscles. The continuous use of meat protein taxes the workings of the kidneys, and of other eliminative organs, straining them to the point where a progressively smaller amount of uric acid is eliminated, and a correspondingly greater amount is absorbed by the muscles. The result is painfully known as rheumatism. This condition is also one of the underlying causes for prostate gland trouble, in which case this juice combination, in addition to the carrot, beet, and cucumber juice, has been helpful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Watch more interesting videos on our channel, Life Elixir.